say I do me a shrub, yeah. They never say I be better past anybody. They say we sure, and your boy, no. See, so I don't hustle, no, they make chance pass me by. So make it do your best and use your sense. I show the stress since I put girl first. Charlie, it won't be race, it won't be test. The jack guys, no one can test. So make it tell them. So be the come, no the fear them. Baba got it for my size, so no shake.
Yeah, when you're media, on Chonko na on board. On any CCTV, there be an anyone so. Even if I walk through the valley of death, I know the fear. Every day be your guide. Yeah, when you're media, on Chonko na on board. On any CCTV, there be an anyone so. Even if I walk through the valley of death, I know the fear. Every day be your guide.
So make you no cry, oh. Say you go be, make you still try, oh. You my drum on the yell, you walk, I shit no good way. I couldn't make you no cry, oh, still try, oh. Say you go be, make you no cry, oh. You my drum on the yell, me die. Quite, I don't mean that something, I don't mean that it make me, I don't mean that it make you team in China, cheetah. Don't mean that something.
Media, on Chonko na on board. On any CCTV, there be an anyone so. Even if I walk through the valley of death, I know the fear. Every day be your guide. Yeah, when you're media, on Chonko na on board. On any CCTV, there be an anyone so. Even if I walk through the valley of death, I know the fear. Every day be your guide. Your guide.
Nyame ba ko pene bo me ho ban. Ti mo a mo bo me ho po na mo fa me ho tan. Mo didi masena mo bo me sekan. Mo ma no Thomas mo se me twede botan wo do me. Bitu me de hwe bebi kra na me fia. Charlie, be sora no pa me hwehwe ne media. Senia, eni pe bi kra bubu me ni chia. Wo nyame, wonso me mu akama ye hise mu chia. Wo me ni sa me po na ma no bo twa me to fe. Wo mu dumi nkunye tema po me. Wo ne me kama fo wo ne ma po chem. Mamente wasena mente wasem okana se mu se fa wo sanka ne mehira no onyame na na wahye me bonti na de bia no ansana odi me din ne be ko be bia no kai se wo hwe me wo bedu na wesi ano El Shada
ye onyame bia on Chonko na on no on any CCTV there be an anyone so. Even if I walk through the valley of death, I know the fear. Every day be your guide. Yeah, when you're media, on Chonko na on no. On any CCTV, there be an anyone so. Even if I walk through the valley of death, I know the fear. Every day be your guide. Your guide. I wish for an uncle show be watching at this time. Mon share program with family. Program we in the meche bibli. Me need that time, you know. Say must spend 1 hour, 45 minutes. Me need that time, you know. But I don't know. Maybe in the course of it, you know. Now will be about a distracted program, no. Me and my green share me in short. In the meche also. That hopeless guy me need the time. But I don't strike for nothing. Me obia any more social media. I don't go for attack. Me attack you obia. Obia any on social media. Me didi obi ni mami atemda. Me didi obi ni papa atemda. Me didi obi yere da. Me didi obi ni brother da. but we are my colleague. Now we yummy, we yummy. Let me feel my reply. I'm coming to reply you. Mempa na me flu kwem. Intino me did you obi attempt that it is not in my records. Me ba abontinya na me be your programmer. My plan that minim de me babeka. If I don't have a topic, I don't come out live. Na makope baby ada. I don't engage myself into a didi attempt. Majority of you can testify that. But in the enumerate, on command, minomo e babedino, a be a little different kakra. Intino, se muhun se, dear me yano, why is so disappointed that Monfanchami. Intino, abushia for a very simple. Me de asam eba batu baby eda. Ena debia me ka asembi echremo. Min didi obi atemano. Sana min pese obi baba me page. Na wababa disrespecting me as a viewer. Wobane se watch program na me na watch wa. Na o person would disrespect me. Ah, me your program na ma buloko. We actually say me program say me it's not about viewers. Omo ma buloko omo cover 3,000. Say me family phone na me call block side. Na me chamo omo ma buloko omo e ba shock omo. Na omo nyina no omo ye me viewers. But na omo ye hypocrite. Mimpeni na womba obi a woni ewo issues, personal issues. Na obehia no platform we so na udidi na tem mehu a ma blocko. Sele me person obi didi matem no, sa na mehu se obi didi obi atem wa haya mehwe mo no na ma block nipa no. Sa na nyakopo ayemi. I don't entertain a didi atem. But me and me entertaining a didi atem me and among for adani menim politin back. And omudi a tricky form. Champion Thiago, menim dia watch rocho. Allah forgive us. Menim dia watch rocho. Allah forgive. So you Allah forgive. So you too try and do that. Nyankopon won show menim dia watch rocho. But moma yan comport your home. Moma yon comport yon home. Mo obi amban beye didi atem. Me baba momo evidence upon evidence. Ma restrict me home. Ma distinguish me home from programs of insult. Ajia Rash baby. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ma distinguish me home from omuye programs of insult. Ya me try say me twem ho efiri ho. Nti omu edidi obi atema sometimes no me funa me hu say ko baby na me si fom. Because me mpene me ma obi invite na wa ba be didi obi atem. I will not agree to that. Sana me so me bia ma no endidi obi atem. That one too. Sana wo so a wo hwe me obi ba na so oba be disrespecto aheya na ma block ni pa no. So I don't deal with viewers. Nka me deal with viewers nka hypocrite for no mo didi amon for tam nka me ja omo me ye program na nko ma ba ye homa enye viewers me wo message me ba na me da bato ho. The president H.E. Larry Eden Hazard nyakopon won shiro me nim say nyo obia video asena woko. And I do appreciate me ye video obaso because of the self-respect and the kind of programs that I do. You cherish and I cherish you so much as a brother. Nyankopon won show the president H.E. Larry Eden Hazard. Now I'm all for me and many programs of insult. Me ba ye no mano. omunya problem a omo de betum anima na me de aba abonten na amofo aboa me in the course of that na Ghana embassy for no na omo hwe me programs omo hu na omo afre me akwa we ni story we baby o wona e wuchiri pa intino ye be yi nipa bi na wakoho na wakwakwa akwala no na ye hu but dia wo ya e wo read ya no ma ya so nte. These are the kind of programs I do. Make momuna amofo adani menim politin bag. And omo edidi matter because omo pese me deviate kwan papa na me woso no omo pese me deviate so na me dwan no omo bibia omo ye programs ye didi atem. Yauba, big ups to you, my lovely brother, my respected lovely video blogger. Yankopon we share Yaba enye obi a video so ase na wo so ya woko. Yankopon we share with the self-respect. Enti abushafo ende ya brother kitwa ye nua kitwa de wodi mechi minyo no ma omudi mechi 4 omunyi nsen no me to say menya akwala and I'm not going to hide it. Minyo no ma omudi mechi 1 2 3 4 omunyi nsen no boy we wa try say woni me ebenya beef na what the any programs we need topic enti wa try say wo ye video tie me a na me so ma baba ya na chese wo ye na ye hwe no na de bia wo nye bi na wo ye ma try say ma avoid me ho efri enu akato we nchen ma ya mintimi ma ya what the me what still what permanent no tokwa wo ye ni programs me ni ho wo bomidi wo bomidi e kasem enye baako enye menu enye mensa. Meanwhile my block no. Meanwhile me my block no. But when your programs de bia wo bomidi me try and paying for e wo my platform we so far. The Honorable Member of Parliament Afram Place for your MP. Any penny for omo ehwe me pa because omo nim say me the Middle East issues and me deba. Enti me pese me page so obi baba be hwehwe me page no na wo hu say me didi atema me attack e sana na me na aye me niwo. But guy we he's pushing me to the wall. With the kind of first enemy nim enemy ba reply you know and a danny beef wo ya na maye e don me followers omo nyina ekoho ekohwe no e binim aka ho ende e won nchen but when the topic dia no bebere na adwane because blogging is about knowledge, is about creative. Me a day make videos 3 send me what timer different topics, different educative topics are a bit me abroad the youth in a society. But a human and me into na many time make me a day maba 3 times live video with different topics open with you so I open say nyansa wom. It's about seek for knowledge. The Quran tells us we should rise up and seek for knowledge until say ubako wataka minimuno manjai enimidie echirokwan. But the youth of today, some of us yempe enimidie yemhwehwe enimidie echirokwan. Na ye pabontia if there's a sensitive issue. Kwame Apo Aziz, big ups to you, much respect, my lovely brother. I respect you so much. Ubu Hopa on social media. Inti Abushafo, if we rise up as youth, especially Zongo youth, na yehwehwe inimdie chire kwanya. Me did say issues are yenya in our Zongo communities, you know, we can help to to at least to minimize yentimi kwapo en yini nyina free man. And that issue ebaba beto ho as Islam You call yourself a Muslim. And yet 419, the 5 pillars of Islam, you observe it. We are Sharia. We are sorry, 5 daily prayers. We are you don't even miss one. We are Sharia. We into to sword the door. Nyamu bonus uwiska uko Hajj. We are winning as a Muslim. Hajj Ahmed, my invite to Nyabo Trekakra. You call yourself a Muslim, we are winning, but yet inside you, we are hypocrites. Inside, Moshe program we na mufama me abushafo. My brother, Sarkizaki wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Sarkizaki share no wanga program. Mon share program we na young create awareness. As a good Muslim, Nyankopon in the Holy Quran a didie for. We a didie niya na obi tanishi the image of Islam. Wotia wintiminda a new concept with that. If only indeed a sorena we no wuti asia. A sorena we na we kremonino so wuti a sorena asia. Na obi tanishi the image of Islam. You don't have to keep quiet as a good Muslim. But the level of hypocrisy ewo ye Muslim youth e binima omo pe adusua no omo na omo cause sade we as issue aba owusu bempa se owusu brempa mo se owusu bempa o on the 31st night what a loose talk yazu ya reina musulinchi ye reina the noble man, the #1 gentleman of the land, Sheikh Dr. Shabutu. What be disrespecting Papa way beyond reasonable doubt. Was such control yet you expect we the Muslims to keep mute. You expect we the Muslims are yenim religion no. You expect us to keep mute. What's it say? Ye kenkai Quran. Na say ye ntiasia. What's ye Quran e katre say yambra ono ne nchen na yembe bisen for interpretation. Come on. Na your brothers are sorry waka. Say omo kwa ko put sense awe ni chima yet ya nya some of our zongo yuta omo empe enimdie kan omo hwehwe enimdie chire na omo social media so because of their own parochial interest, because of the video na eba ye no individuals bia omo ewo video no so omo no omo ewo omo problems into no na omo afa that kind of personal hatred. Oh, and yet it is not Islamical. Oh, and yet what one as a Muslim, ya did Muslim religion, ya good religion in Numasi. Oh, and yet your brothers Koya, you guys are there condemning hypocrite. Moment our boy way, why ya say or banya beef with me, but this time round, me person mom evidence be na men sramo, na men no kakra, me queen because what did me mamiatem. Sa guy no your friend Uda. Member no full name kwampona amon for enkonkwa search no. Your friend Uda. Million no ma omudi meti bako 4. Omunyi sen. But total disrespect. Wombu bia wakasa rough. Wa ya se mene ne banya beef. E ya na metwe no ho. De bia wo bom din e wo ni programs ase. She dalas nan. She me wa ba block de bia so wo kama sen. Many union did the for union. Omo ACC Alhaji Muntalmola any Ajdube. And I may know omo ye give and take with videos. What be ye video mama? Me want my bloco. Where then who me videos? Where then who me videos? What try so or percent meaning ye beef? Mama yentie lose talk way from him. Mama yentie ye we are now my bo. Baby, what did me my we for? What did you matter? Me wa did you obi attempt on social media? Me did you obi ni mama ni papa da? Wa baba did my attempt or person me send me record. Ekuta me. Say me involve me into a did attempt. He's trying to push me to the wall. Into moment. You see the level of hypocrisy. You see the level of hypocrisy. Lack of knowledge make our people perish. Mumu kaje muka attacking su. Yene yedi kan ekwa attack won. Mumu kadike mumu kaje first muka je muka attack owusu bempa. You see the level of hypocrisy of our youth of today. You see the level of hypocrisy. You can't even quote Quran ayah. You can't even quote Quran ayah. Where Allah yache kama kama je mutaba suma kama. You can't even quote an ayah. I'm coming to put sense in his head because I'm very intellectual. I've schooled. When Dr. Agri was ringing the bell for education, where were you, my brother? You were asleep by then. When location shit were kai kwana. You are trying to have my attention. You are trying to push me just for me to come out for you. Program. Come on. That is a recipe of mediocrity. That is a recipe of mediocrity if you don't know. Kutuba, look at this loose talk. Because you have identified some individuals in a video, you have problems with them because you've been able to identify one or two people in the video because of personal hatred. You've deviated from Islam. Somebody has come to undermine your religion. Somebody has come to undermine your religion. Yet you call yourself a Muslim and you can't even react. Your brothers are doing it and you are criticizing. Let's listen to it once again. Shem game baku zagen de zo zagen mana. Ni bon so nkuko ba ne anya na go gashiguda na bere sen kaman biography shibere kaw na resida Allah de billahi la ilaha illa huwa. Biography shibere kaw ni that is not my style. Zona attack iya yomutani. It is never my style of blogging. Mariam Nash, big ups to you. Abdulaziz Ibn Abdallah, much respect. Let's listen to it. Sanam Bukamuku audios, videos, evidence upon evidence. Because I schooled, I position myself very well when I'm doing programs. I'm coming to put it to him so that you all see. That is matured blogging. I'm not coming to attack his parents. He has attacked my parents. And I'm going to prove it. Now proving shouldn't be fun. So kakungeni.
religious war, religion war. You move as well. That's what I said. That's what I'm saying. So I'm going to deal with you and shaking up. What about those who will tell you? So we so much about now. I was like unknowing. I'm like I'm so like unknowing. So you move about those who will tell you. Go back and about. Don't look about them. You almost so much catch. But get out of the sky. Masalachi that's what
Kunga Muna Finchiko, the prophet of Allah, the prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he spoke about these people that we should be very, very careful. They are within us. This is pure hypocrisy. Kunji, to abin da yasa ganga yozo ezaje imana da ban samun tanishi don nina kishi mana yazo ezage mana na kishi iyaye na abin da sa na fito kenan kuma na approve ku gani she ku ban anya ku bari in goga shi guda pe in ya zage mana in zage mashi in goga shi guda ku gani ku duba wani abu na zo ni na yi program na ce ba waɗanda suke against brothers mu inda suka je abin ga suka je suka attack pastor nan su duka hypocrisy ne aka nuzo na fedi na shifu da magana na sai na buga audio abin ga na buga video ya ke fedi pastor Mensa Otabil na buga muku video Mensa Otabil inda ye disagree with Osofo Owusu Bempah. Yet some of our Muslim youth are in support of that man. Mujabi no Osofo Otabil Yefedi.
And you listen to the church. And I don't like criticizing preachers, but unfortunately some of the solutions we put out there, frightening people with death, frightening people with prophecy, frightening people with it, and just complicating the sense of inferiority and powerlessness and weakness that we feel.
You see, this is coming. When would the African man rise up and think that sometimes he's not good in criticizing pastors? But with this, he's going to criticize Pastor Owusu Bempah. Wangaduka, our Muslim youth, what in the Kukatashi? You guys don't want to seek for knowledge. You are on social media and you are just messing up. Look, for you to correspond or for you to communicate with audience, you need to have this. You need to be very intelligent before you be able to before you're able to communicate to the general public, because lawyers will be watching you, doctors are watching you, police officers, soldiers, all the security officers, all the security people, they are all watching you. You don't even know the one watching you. So you need to be somebody who is very intelligent. The pastor, Mensa Otabil, he himself is against what Owusu Bempah did. But yet, some of our Muslim youth, you are on social media because of your own parochial interest, because of your own selfish interest, because of one or two people that you've seen in the video. You are exhibiting your ignorance, trying to attack those who actually went there to fight for Islam. This guy has undermined the integrity of Islam. He says he has misquoted the Holy Quran. We misquoted the Holy Quran. What's the say ye can Quran no? Na say yentiasia. What's the Quran say yembrane baby song? Is that what is written? Now you expect us to keep mute. Now your brothers are reacting. Now what mo China phone. Now mo kakosasem. Ena me pay mo baka me baka sasem no. Me ka sasem no mambo boy we mambo ni din ewo mi program na say me your program na me wie mambo ni din. Me program ni ewo ho me delete ye mambo ni din, but because of kideya personal hatred I wo money amanya ne hwe me say me da ho na omo se me ya ponchen omo the second me huda obetwa me ti obetwa me mini. I swear I know what I'm talking about. Manya if you menene nkonda when did him attempt me didn't attempt but personal hatred because of Real Barkis. Real Barkis wanya me yonko. I don't have any issue with her. I'm all for the who say me no personal issues or no church when me be family. I don't care. What be a video? It did me mami attend. Mama me chamu evidence upon evidence. It is as na me kan no. E na wodo to no so no. Mo hwe dia me kan. Mo hwe dia me kan. When are you program now? Na che come on school no go me. Now use the term school no go me. Is school no go me your English language? Sooner the next check come in na buga suna shi now. Yeso ye mi video is again we are Samuel we are bugani yes again mana. Kunga na buga suna shi. Kunga na buga suna shi. Ku ji da kyau. Magana de nejini kama kunde kuke support pastor na you guys are hypocrite. Bombuga sunan ko waba. Ama benchira sunan shi ba we na che kama na use them na school no go me. Shesa kuduba binde yeso yemi. Ni komi duka na I move with evidence. In the way na che school no go me na. Ye na nemo yoto no ni father. Muzo mu father na kuduba binde yemi. Na chi mana kunjiko yazo wode mama mi abim Martin na chi mana kunji bayi Allah kunga na zage manshi kunga na zage baban shi kunga na zage yayen shi kunga na zage shi kan program ina amma kunji abin da fari ko na chi mana kuji bayi Allah kunji ya zage mana na ci mana kunji ko amma zan goga shi ni guda mana ya zage zan zage man shi ni zan goga mai ni guda zan goga shi na rasa muku da Allah da billahi la ilaha illa huwa wuta wallahi biography shi bai da kyau kai wasa da ni wallahi na bar ka gudu ka fita Facebook na rasa maka da Allah kasan abin da kake yin nan da kake tona na fada nan mutane efijiyasi kasan ba su so ko biography ka yana annuna in kai wasa na fito da Qur'ani in yi zan tutuka guda 5 nkaria se wo pa midonyame an Nyankopon a mekra ewo ne nsa wadidi me mame atem meka nsam baako 5 meka nyina so mekuta Quran memba kan ntro me wia na wo fa Quran ba bontin na won ka se asem a meka no meboa na won so ne Quran ni wadidi me mame atem baako mo mame fa baako ntwino because obi mame ensin obi mame. That is not my style of blogging. Waba be did me mami atem. Me mami odi me baby ase. Asi me say di me mami. E di atem. Ana me boa. Mo mamu ntwe no baako. Mo mamu ntwe no. Ne biography nye me to Nyankopon a me kra e go nyisem. Me na me ka mo. And no consent ko oba Facebook or oba kasa to the general public. He doesn't deserve it. Wamama hito metri no baako ansa na mesi form. I'm going to dare him with Quran. One pie no one kase mata no tro. No one fa Quran yi pie no one do nyame. Mama mimpo another evidence in tramo. Mimpo another evidence in tramo ansa na ato so. Me a very intellectual. Mako school pa monsieur mama. I'm never a tender head. Before you think I taught already, I've schooled. The time Dr. Hagri was ringing the bell for education, where were you? Ufi say your colleagues in one. Or more, me dimechi 4, or me yinsen. Uni mama make control. Me the make a no bako, my jawa ma milia katwa, Jawad. Me, mama Jawad a bro, opa kosoba form. E ye police, mama me de me boss. The president of GCM Commission for Survey the whole Saudi Arabia. Kofa wo boss na wo yela la sulai asana we did no na yanko share police station na yanko one oye penny. Kasa ekuta me twa picture wo kasa me twa pictures. Flag at the carnage. I'm never a kid. Man kasa e bia me twi boss o. So kasa me house driver fine fanasa but me no wo nyepe. Woni mama me kan chiro. Mama yentia evidence we yanto so. Kujiko speaking rubbish. Just imagine what a loose talk. Kujinam. Yazo ya min career. Kuji career nge min. Kuji. No, but one bar. I've played this one already. Kusamuna Ampuri. Now block nka ya kai ka gani kamini na do chief imam the noble leader ya kai ka gani kamana do picture shi na ni profile picture na. I've blocked you. Kuna makan ku kariya kuna use fake account kuna duba mutani. Kuna so kuna mamutani 419. Back came only 4199. How'd you go? You've not schooled. You've never schooled. Galamse kejeke yin. Can't you school? Challenge nzam go gama ba wallahi ba sharuwa dede to bika fa ba wan Allah. I'm not good in attacking people's parents. Ban taba yi ba kuma ban yi. Amma yo na goga ka don ka goga ni kace ni na ci mana. Shesa na goga ka guda kuma baka 5 basic principles your biography. I've been the people of Evidiasi Abi ne keke kan social media na ye na ti range sumba ni ko medu kanka kuma na ifto nche wallahi magan de zen fedi ka Qur'an ke na che wallahi fedi ka fe ke ma ko to ka che wallahi kariya ni kai duba back at deserve cause you can Facebook kana maganganu ba. At the first place you've never schooled when uncle keke de shi zaka correspond with the general public. Trust me, if you are live on Facebook, doctors and lawyers are watching you. When you eat uncle, when you eat wide, there's like a car where the prominent people in the Suke do banka. Eh? Kana do bana, you so kana do bana. Gasuna deal with fake account. Gasuna na rubansu. Kuna zo kuduba programs na. Muna finchi ya muku yawa. Kuna zo na ganku the fake account. Gakuna kuna ruba. Ni ban zage maka da babanka ka taba ga nayi program na zage duru aka duru manka duru babanka ka taba ga nayi aka. It is not my style. It is not, because ni na have to give them crick enough to me free a fie papa na me papa ye leba me peni me free papa. Wa no brother ma don't push me. Mama me send me record on social media. But where did me mama attend? Me mama no mama no word did that. Me should me did mama attend back or sana Quran kai. What is so obi your bonia? Yane pepe sa. Won't me a jano. What is obi? Ebo wasuma. Ubetimia. Send a obo no bonesa pepe. So won't me a jano. But we say me mama would me baby I say we say me di me mami me baby true back up wo biography wallahi un say me donya me wo biography ne enu kwase wo kasa Facebook wallahi masa would me di agora wa me no wo na rese makada Allah would me di agora me baby bio chapter wallahi un say me come here wallahi. Don't try me, don't start what you can't finish. Me ni ekobi anko. Me a one-man fighter. That is me. We are madana me power. Come and respond. Me power. Just let it go. Me na me kono. Depia ubo mi din. On se me few. Depia ubo mi din o program. Me ni jide 4 year kon. Me brothers. Alaji muntalamola ene hajidube. Omo amo sanction. Apre ye nyina yo ha ye pesika. Ene me pie ka se nyo enye no kwan so. Oba ye video na wo didi matem. Obobo mi din. Ma bloko. We dey na wo mu video same. Hypocrite life song on Facebook. Mun kona mun ko suya nyansa. Mun ko suya nimdie. Akufo Addo oba ye wa ye school free. Kono ko school. Ko school na ko suya nwa. Wo wi na wa boso camera China phone na wo dia so wani na woni mpanyifo akasa. What did me mami atem? Me Bob you na 8040. It's my evidence. Me be your program man boudin po program me man boudin me use to tell me school no go me. What dey man who say me because of that we pay be did matter say oh bobo me. Won me na kotwa won what Tom so be ye tre Jawad. Na nya bro nya bro na wodi ma won hu 1 on 1. Obo hu bibi. Won bon so we are no police case. Ko bisa ko via na takrade. We say Jawad where you takradi ni me takradi ni when kasa some chow when kasa some chow takradi ye nyina ye buy takradi e no bia krum ahantafo ene kru ni omodia ye nyina ye honya ye nyina ya hoho wuni mama me catch let me put sense in your head ko takradi no ko bi say on be chro about me Jawad bi obi an catch about Jawad don't mess with that guy who dey go obo no moja enye utipe no se macho wabo wabanu moja he oko Viana Beach takrade gate omo no mugina gate wo bana so wo yeshirime want ya no stamp wo bana so pese wurama wo so say ya wo pejaw ko takrade no ko bisa wo me 3 ono wo to so 3 mechi ba 3 no wo da go obayo dofo wo nima wo nim hwe wale ka cho Saudi Arabia yakon I want to wait Jiminti. Why they catch you say you're coming Saudi Arabia? Mami me answer a messy form. Me baka in some bako trebi. Kwa ya live video. na o live video kono koye na yam open chapter no na yan start ye chi wa ye do ko prison no o ba ka kira mo for the we ya ye chi o ba kan malam sharuwa de tumbinka. I don't want to insult you and to touch your family. That is not my style of blogging. Sharuwa de tumbinka, you are not my colleague. Jawad, colleagues and Kani Jawad. Na berima de Jawad. Me duwa me minya katwane Jawad. Wabayo defo. Enya toko Facebook is obet my yedede. What a glass nima yedede. O bompaye eda wo be show 1-1. Me donya me wa obohu. What the form na otena so a wo be miyon. Wo bondo mo moja. What the form na otena so a. Woni ma bisa na control. Ye forso ye ena ye di mi tu kwan. Enam nema wo ye Ghana. Bisa. Onu galabi se wonwura amanemu. Wono woto ho wo ye chef. Wo ya no omo de ba no waje na woto ho. Galam say it's only the strongest who survive. Tamana wo so ye galam say se wo ko aso na wututu. Ono woto ho wo ye chef. Bisa. Fa a train na kota kwade na bisa who is Jawad. Minua bema de wodi machi train no. Wo ba yo doso. Me no, I don't have your precious time. Me do baba Jawad ye nyina wo riada obohu wo exit 5. Obohu one day e ba yo say concert. So one day we Jimmy na. You don't deserve my attention, but we did me mami atem. Ke ka bari ni inchi mana. Won say me did mami atem do. But answer the messy form. Metru kakra na ma put sense e wo trim. Uko fie no. Holidays. Uko holidays no. Mama men kasem, my brother. Mama men kasem uda sharuwa de ban taba shiga cikin harkan ka ba. Kaka shiga cikin harkana. Wata sama meka. Mama men ba attack your family. Minu ubibia shonhuye. Don't joke with sensible people if you don't have sense. We made a better. Fake account for motion. Who so I wish. We the obianim so much Saudi Arabia ha. What my baba live video. Actually among for konya denti ama we ya yecho. Obakan. Ekutami o. Dia we na ekutami. Wa ba ka kira among for. Dia we ya yecho. Ukodem wa ba ka kira among for. Ene yam fan twinchen. O mami na udidi na tem no. Me bo em say ebinim ba ye nche. Munti asama oka fa mi mami ho. Munti asama oka fa mi ma min din atamda.
Amanda somewhere the last Dallas back. And then as we start there, this time around here, need a super get skin here. Yeah, chimmanch. Now this is Allah. Yeah, chimmanch. Me na say she gataka den. Me ya ke so esi ya den. Ya ba mu kamu 1 to 1. Ya di mu ka muke. En kana me mu kamu 1 to 1.
Na chi imana me mana teima mma woni be fima woni bo mma woni be fima woni ba uda ka tabe na zage yayin ka tabe kan social media na after na attack yayin woni ka tabe ka gani amma yanzu ka tabe mana da ta kawo ni duniya kace ni na chi mana fine ka tabe bari ngoga ma guda about your mother mfedima wannan for the road that boy so yi akaba na goga maguda ka je de ka kasa kwana kace hey ya Dallas yayi ya samu maganin gidana kuma zan fadi ma kuma ni in kuma yi ma resuwa da Qur'ani in yi ma resuwa da wallahi in kace kaman kariya na yi ma ka fito ko so kace wallahi Dallas kamin kariya. So shi bayi Allah ku ban anya tsakaninku da Allah da Annabi ya zage mana ku ban anyan gogan man shi guda man shi dake gida in goga shi guda in yaji wannan magana in ya shiga cikin kokolwan shi ya kasa kwana na rasa da Allah in yaji magana da fita baki na gayin ga ya kasa kwana ko ban anya ngo gashi guda ya zo ya min karya kamar ni na yi program sakarin jiya saboda Real Barkis wallahi ba wannan bauyan Allah ni da ta bata na ma cikin zuciya na albada min ta ke min kyau ba masin kamar Allah ya ruwanta ba da ita ciki wallahi tallahi na buga voice sarkin Mustafa yayi magana first sannan ya ne na tuzo second na buga duka amma ya zo min kariya wai na buga voice ni muryan yare nan kade wasu saboda ina da personal issues kariya da kai min na barka da Allah wallahi na barka da Allah kagin kamin kariya Allah na ya kama ka ranan tashin kiyoma kagin kamin kariya program Nino be blocking na babban blocking shi ba ina kan ni na block Sarki Mustafa na block Real Barkis amma su ko zo live program in kana kan kaji ba ma shi wani ya fadi ma ba by Allah kaku call na yankuri na program kaku call na kun distract program na yankuri kaku call na wake call na ni bonzo iza patominia man frame me your program man frame nyasa mabo udin man ba hase me ba be dido bi aten ya min kariya Sarki Mustafa kan program Nino na king na do program no from A to Z. Nino be blocking na babon blocking shiba. Na block Sarki Mustafa, na block Real Barkis. Amansu ko zo live. Ka ji, ka gansu live. Ka kuma ji abin da suke fadi. Sarki Mustafa yayi magana first ya condemn. Wadanda suke condemn brothers mun nan wasu munafikai ne. She na buga wannan na kare, na buga wani bawan Allah kuma bai san sunan shi ba. Sannan na buga muryan Real Barkis kuma su kashe suna kan program ka zo ka min kariya wani da ta muna da personal problem nan na zo na buga audio ta kade kan ka min kariya wallahi ban yafe ma ba ranan tashin kiyoma mun sai gaban Allah ka zo ka min kariya duba zan prove muku evidence upon evidence. I'm not here to attack you. Amma ni ko ban anya ya zage mana ko ban anya ni man zage man shi don umma wani bai fi ma wani ba kan social media. Umma wani bai fi ma wani ba. Obi mami ensin obi mami. Obi ani mami nkwan eyede. Is it by force to have beef with me on social media? Is it by force? You kept on mentioning my name on your shows. Is it by force to have beef with me? Is it by force? I'm trying to avoid myself. Bakagoga manaba. Ni na mana. Mana nge kauni tulinya. Ni ke kachi manka subhanallah la hawla wala quwwata illa billah Allah ya fi ma kaji ko kana so na karanta ma biography ka complete 1 week program wallahi you will forget the password of your Facebook. Try me and see na berki ka forget password inka. Your password, you cannot log in. Can you say the Nikaduba? Complete 1 week program. Complete 1 week. Don't mess up with me. Wallahi, for the benefit of the doubt. Na yafima, ama wanganga yazama kokokoni na rese da Allah. We'll keep on monitoring each other. Moses. Kazo kachi mutunchi Moses. Kaza gamwa shida babanshi. Weke kazo kana fada real barkis. Kana makenka muna finchi. Agendamon couldn't zinaria. Kachi mutunchi bawa allanga. Moses, badan kabani. He is not your age group. Shima yazu ya magana against what the school of against brothers mu. Kama miyesa ke ya attack pastor na. Shima ifto yeke show yeke nuna baki range. Kazo kana chi mutunchi shi. Kana zage mmashi da baban shi kuma ba saran ka bane. Wallahi wuda na rasa da Allah na forgiving ka. Ka bari ya zama first and last. Bonso ka break record na of me insulting people's parents. Na back wangani first and last na rasa da Allah. Kaga na rishwa ko? Nkana so ka bari mu je mu open chapter. Ko bika ina ka yi famous yanzu bari mu je da beefing nan. Bari mu je da beefing. Don't say ni I don't belong to any group. Ni na zama freedom fighter nani. Kema freedom fighter ni. Ko group ne keke ni I don't know. Ama ni da kai ni. Kabar muje because iyaye to iyaye ni. Group nkan na keke na su ba iyaye su ciki. Kabar muje man to man. Na karanta ma biography ka. Wallahi duba ka je ka shige daki. Wallah ba kai kwana. Na rasa da Allah. Ka kasa kwana. Wajen zaka gane kamar ashe mutane ka ba su sonka suna sonka wawancin ka yayi wani ka bi ka masani ba bai ma komi ba. People from Efidiasi abin da kake yin kan Facebook nan they are not in support of you. Me Dallas yayi ma ka yi program ni da yan gidda na blockin ka ya kaje kana duban program ina ka zo kana buga sunana kana batun yan gidda yan gahi nan ba correct bane kana batuna kuma na blockin ka wato kana rika fake account kana duba na in ba fake account kana use kana duba na ka zo kai ma mutane kariya wai kai baka da fake account mu duba maganin ganda ya fi nan in baka da fake account kai wanga magana ku je ku duba profile shi ashe kana duba na mai Allah kun ji ko ya bar ma bin ya bar dariya wallahi na forgive bawan Allah ga Allah duba suliyan shi kasi zallani aja duba profile picture na ashe kana duba na ikon Allah babban magana ashe kana duba na kuna rika fake account ga kunan nan kuna duban with fake account. You guys should come out with your real faces. Kubari munafinci, aka ce munafinci, ko ni munafikai. Ni roommate na gashi nan phone shi ke ga wanda duka na blocking shi. In ana program, ina doka ni ina zo ni ina duban. Na yi wanga magana shi kuka ce kamar Dallas na da fake account. Roommate na ina zuwa. Roommate na phone shi ke ga kun gani ko in ana program baka blocking shi ba bai blocking ka ba ina doka ne in duba kowa wanda duka na blocking shi in dai in ana program shi program nan da ake yi nan shi aka bani aka draw attention na ana zagen ka ina doka ne shi in duba ga phone shi na yi ga guda phone na guda ke ga guda kuma. That's my phones. Ga guda kuma aje nan ga tablet ne nake da shi. Sai ga phone roommate na. Amma kai ka create fake account don kai ke kwana daki. Kana duba na. Na da ku phone roommate na duba wannan ba fake account bane. It's an account na wani ne. Because of Bakuge school number, she could take a fake account. Is that a fake account? It is never fake. So brother, you guys are lacking. You are sick from IQ deficiency. Moses, kuna the issues they see. Who the shi kuna the issues. Abin de samu ko cheka mamba. Kuna ke gainga. Bon maso man na bugo sunan shi makan the program yana. So with the personal issues in the akagani zaki chicken video nan the baba sala sheku do sun nan baku agree nan kun fara kuna condemn sheku manta kaman wannan owusu bemparan ko bemparan nan yazo yayi mun addini mu kariya when mu muka karanta Qur'anin nan she ba mu understand ba wo mu zo mu mai tambayi ya ba mu the interpretation yayi addini mu kariya. Yet you expect our youth to keep mute? If you can't join them, keep mute. Sheku ko kuna munafinci nafto nezoni wanga magana na buga muku video mensa otabel ndo yezo condemn man nan. Sheku ko video ka ce mika ke kabri ni inci duri mana. Allah ya fe ma. Wallahi ni yende na min yi ma chaka da zan baka tuni amma wanda na baka nan kowa ya san wannan an kama kan ke ka prison. Kaye kazo kai live video kafin mo duniya duka abinda ne yaka kama ni ke ga amma ni na sani fa kaka bar mu zo mu fara muna tona majuna asiri fa ka sha ruwa daidai da tumbin ka fa ka sha ruwa daidai bawo Allah ga don ka fara attack iyaye na shi mu ce kamar mu duka mu je zon aje ma biography ka bon zo yi ma kariya zon zo din aje ma Qur'ani mbere duniya duka ko wai sun ka abin da nake fit game da kashi ne mbere ka ga shiga cikin hankalinka. You don't even deserve to come and to interact with the general public. You don't deserve it. You don't have what it takes. By Allah bon so audio video na ga isawo na shifra magana na duka na aje bon so waste time na kan shi na biro duniya duka kowa ya gan kamar ya zage ni ya ci mi mutunci na biro duniya kowa ya gani ya zo ya zage mana ya zage mayafiya na amma ni ba style na kenan ba zo ina attack iyayen mutane ba sani da wannan ba amma inda zan fadi ma maganganu guda 8 na more than 1 week program kenan in zan aje ma magana wallahi ka shiga cikin hankalika wallahi kinka ya buga kace ya kai kaji wadannan maganganu maganin gidana kenan be the need as good Muslims kazo kana cin mutunci yayena. You expect me to do that kind of dirty jobs in the KKN? You want to push me because of your personal hatred. You want to have beef with me by force. Not so beef the what in the suke high intellectual. What in the suke malakechika ankelusu. Sini suni ke so samu beef lesu. Nkole wana. Ama ba kuba. Kaman kaya kaba. No, you don't deserve it. You don't deserve it. Kazo, let me educate you small before I step down. Do you know your mission of being in Saudi Arabia? Do you know your mission? If you don't know, let me take this opportunity to advise you. As a brother, you are here for a purpose. You have a mission being here. Your mission is not to fight. In Saudi Arabia, they don't fight. We don't fight in Saudi Arabia. You are here to make money, to take very good care of your house, your family. Maybe you've not gotten married yet, but you have it, you have a plan of getting married. You are here to prepare and to position yourself very well. You being here is an opportunity for you. A lot of guys back in Ghana are willing to be like you. They have passport with them for more than 20 years, but they can't fly with it. So it is a privilege. It's just an opportunity. You being here. You are here to take good care of yourself and to take good care of your family, your mom, your dad. Even though your dad is not staying with your mom. Can you explain to us why your dad is not staying with your mom? Can you do that? You have to sit down. Advise yourself. Plan for your future. But not to fight. We don't fight. Are you an animal? Animals fight. Human beings quarrel. You don't have to do that. That is not your mission of being here. You are here to look for dollar, to take very good care of your mom, who has no job, who is jobless, staying in the house, your dad, jobless. You are here for a mission. They've been praying for us, our parents. They've been praying for us to succeed in life. They are not praying for us to come and be fighting and be quarreling. That's a wrong move. Go back, sit down, and wise up. Okay? You've been detained in prison for some time now. What have you learned from it? You were put in jail some couple of months back. So you mean you didn't learn anything from it? Abdulaziz Ibn Abdullah, that you are speaking English. Meanwhile, he doesn't understand it. Abusha for me, person meche bibiri e woni program so ma tunu for kakra. Wo hanom say wotimi eye dwuma, wo bo no homode na wo pedwuma na wo ye. Na wotimi kohwe ni maami a wodi ne be wiase. Ni maami a wodi ne be wiase wo bu ni maami, wo mbu obi ni maami no. Oni de wo bu ni maami, but wo mbu obi maami no. Obi maami so eye se obi maami ana. O hanom so o pesika na hwefie. O papa wo sifia ma ba wendem, papa no woni fie. Oh baby, we no say utimi esua nyansa. Denta me papa wo baby a me ma me so wo baby. Na wotena se na wusua nyansa. Enye se wo hanum se wo ba kwa me so ni mo bunu, wo babunu. Obi a wo wa hode ewiase no, ene obi a wo abotre. Ya baye ni bibia ba won kasa, one na ye ahode wura, but enye de wo gina wo kasa no, eye jimie ahode na wo ka no. Aha yanko. Matufo wo hanom so wonye sika so wo get 50 million and I say 12 million to boase na bobo sika na no na ye bibi papa ofie because won tina ha forever. Intino eno maje we si alon any sa advice we am dem o mami ne expectation e wo so e very high we ni eni da so baby a menim se wunuanom omukọ school me gini se ebia wona wo hwe om but wouldn't talk I show we gini ma ye che utuma wo ma me no papa o manye skedi wise up. Okay, wise up. You are dealing with somebody a way very sensible. My sister for Zilla to was a main castle. My brother, no, was a tree standing in a river fears no cold. Yes, there's a saying that the day the leg of a billy goat is broken, that day it will not eat path to his owner's house. And the sad end of a story is when the fool become wise. But more than a school, Nessuya Nyansa. Ubia na oba kasa o nyansin. Violence is not the best way to settle situations. Into no, where did me mami atem? Among for or more share was a mean fan chow. Pretty Najat in penifobibly. Say me be on me did you mami atem no papa pe. I'll feel so disappointed in penifo or more shani. But you are trying to push me. Na okoye video na say sadia the okai family my own o kabioma. Then in penifo I will come and sit down and open your chapter. And your 8 key, that is more than 1 week anymore. Every day behind in a chapter. Or biography in there. Intino, shonhui. Don't go and be insulting people's parents. Or a beer a show to and yet. Wallahi. Metufu as my junior brother. You're very careful. So what do akodom ekobia ekono mate say mo de respect na mo respect na mo advice among for. That is your ideology. Nyankopon ma enye hosa. Corner your advisor. I will end it now very soon. Don't worry. I'm not here to attack anybody. That is not my style of blogging. My followers in Penufa or more Eshami. Baby na Shami. I don't want to feel so disappointed. But my mom we are suffering in a obi ehu. Edi the atama we are attacking the parents. But man attacking the parents. Man kebi. Me pese me a min dido obi atam na me na o ma dani menim politin bag. And I'm on for a duty form. Into no major moisi has said, me if I invite Miss Samo. Me if I invite. Dia me person me bakano and a macano. Mamma moon. My baba bought audio where did me mammy atem actual. Me yes, I because of evidence. I don't have his time. Me need time say me wasting so and then your program be scammer. Man be a was scamming among for. They be a do free tap riding or conquering. And what ska a free hustlers a man from US, UK. Nka eno asana ye baba kande. With evidence, sika ye de mano. Wokuta aya one police for ekuta ni bi. Wo baba giske free obancha ya. Na wa bi ono, na wa kase o migi na police for action. Na wakase police for action na shari ni ebo o match me o manyo koke o mekani ma me buy 3,000 euros me de baba o ma come account ni mintimi enyiska me da sugi na police for na adeni ye o mukuta techniques o mo de je no number sika enu asam na ka baba kande but mo so wa divert me topic intino abusha for yonkopon we shram na wombo obibia ho ban Muma yen trio ho enfri edidi atem. Udidi obi mami atem, udidi obi papa atem, udidi obi ira atem, udidi obi ne brother atem, na udidi abusunya atem. As good Muslims, muma yen trio ho enfri ho. Muma yen trio ho enfri ho. Na nyesa ubeji na Nyankopon nim dama to muda. Bebe bi so asema wontimi ya no. Obi mami ensi obi mami o Facebook so. Into no abusha for my brother wa requested what's a member with waiting you gain and sana me free program no so me and my brother and I request here program so media baby ya no nti mama yambo waiting you gain no that yambo na imemfama my brother no and sana you see every program no so because only there connected me respect no pa the work high no mama yenyama no na yemko waiting you gain I know this kid's a bit
you no love, I will see you. Victor Eddie, na na na. Pray for grace, my dream. I say pray for grace. Oluwa má gbàgbé mi, I want all this money. Don't want to take the same step where I take last year when I work for me. Lord, as I dey grind, I dey hustle, bless me with this money. Oh, your hand that day, so make you run out for me. If we don't make money, waiting we get. Waiting we get. If we don't buy the rest, waiting we get. Waiting we get. If we don't get control, waiting we get. Waiting we get. If we don't make money, waiting we get. Waiting we get. Lord, you know what to me, and you don't talk, make you manifest. This street now my grace, don't be who I super say carry first. Now your grace, I think the live, I know the play, I back on defense. And I thank you that say even when I the cross, you see give me the talent to give make I pass it. On the ring, now family they call it. If not be beating, now something they solve. And how you be, I'm a money's involved. Oh, you are blessed because I don't figure. So much pressure, they may figure. I say $1, I still want that damn figure. I need the kind of money where go back down, but they say who be this black scheme man. Where the money and you waiting to get. Waiting to get. If you don't buy the best, waiting to get. Waiting to get. If you don't get money, waiting to get. Waiting to get. If you don't make money, waiting to get. Waiting to get.
Kimati Suleiman, Dallas buy fake account. We finish our job. What's it? Kimati Suleiman, Mati, what's it? Dallas buy fake account. We finish our job. Facebook. We are in the global village. Facebook, our global village. I was for medium AC here. Nyakupo winshiramo na wambo obibia hombai. Bebrina na mo hwem no nyina na mo abrochire. Nyankopon embo ye nyina ya hombai. Bebrina eni tumi krata. Omo ni tumi krata na nyankopon omo tumi krata. Bebrina so ewo bi. Omo ko dwuma ndɛ na wɔtwe no busome ba ko na edwuma na asai. Nyankopon wombo ye nyina ya hombai. Ya tafo eye menu on hustling. Police, any immigration officer. Nyankopon wombo ye hobai every sacrifice menu immigration officer, any police officer. Nyankopon wombo ye hobai every omuntim. Yenso ye Middle East. Nyankopon wombo ye nyina ye hobai. Yen yono ma on daily basis. Bra mo bre or more respected contract houses. Nyankopon wombo mo hobai enfamaye na wombo obibia hobai. Mesramon obia no ohweme a obakase ni fie ewu ensida nyankopon wondeda omhuye na wonfa omboni emfa nchaomo yeso ye wo hustling omo ewe fie a omo eton pure water ewo roadside omo eton bread ewo traffic light ebinum carpenters ebinum kese obia eni nedwuma nyankopon wombo omo so hustling no omo nyankopon wombo obibia hoban na womo obibia dia yebetimi edi akọ yenum nyankopon womma yesika enye bebrewu se sika no ketwa na nyankopon ne nhira ewuma nyankopon womma yesika nhira ewum ketwa kra utimi die ne bebre nyankopon wombo ye nyina hoban na womma ye nkabom as good Muslims sesiale ya hu se ebinum pese omudi Islam no na omudi etwitwifom nyankopon womma ye tumi ewo omoso obi a wodi nadwene anase wodi nini wodi bato Islam krimosumu nyankopon wombie noto enfamaye na womma ye nkunim ewo omoso ye nyina na ye nipa bako 2019 we obia dia yanya wo 2018 no a eye sikao anase eye arizikiwo efa awo ho anase bibia nyankopon womma ye sa 2019 we ye nyone mo ma bebere na mo hwame mo pe aware nyankopon womma obibia eni nekun womma obibia ekunu a nyamesuro ewe na kumem okunu a wo badaye nyankopon womma mo ye nyone mo ma no sa na ye brothers mpanyifo nso bebere na no so epe ma aware omo nyankopon womma ye ma nyamusuro ewo omakumem nyankopon womma ye ma sabi omo ewo badaye senebe ye betimi aware omo nyankopon womma ye nyina nkore ye nyina ye kremofo Christians omo ye brothers ye nyina ye nipa bakofo ye nyina na ye nipa bakofo in Islam ene omo asu akreso they are not our enemies ye nyina ye nipa bakofo nyankopon wombo ye nyina ye ho ban na womma ye nkwantenten womma ye nkwantenten a inshira ewum enye nkwantenten a ye de ye nema bone a etwe ekwa abunsanjem nyankopon wombo ye nyina ye ho ban momma ye ndo ye ho na there is a saying in English what say a man can be alive in the morning but die unnoticed before evening comes. Obetimi asori anopa na wo den ye pa ebia na wo ka na watwetwe wo ka kama na wo se wo ko park so akobo board wo boko na wakokobo board obaba enyimre na wo se wo koda kakra wo bada wo basori no na wo ko because obetimi ada anopa wo hu eden ebobo 6 o'clock no na winyo na we free ewiase enso nya meden ye kirimofo ye nim se ewuo de ewo honom a etwen ye ya ye ready ene etwen ye nyina ya shingan ene ya se hosu ene ye etwen because ewuo krimoni bia yemfa ewuo emfa ehunahuna no because no kopa e ka kire in the Holy Quran say e kra bia no ebeso owuo ahwe it for the fact that e kra behwe owuo ahwe no na chese kra bia so ebewu no sana asekire no ete enti ye aware enye owusu bempo se ewusu borompamo ono no oba be ka kire ye de ye be yenim enti se oba ne se o ka kire na chese he is undermining our integrity nyankopon wansakra no wonye ni papa wanya asofo papa wo firi nyame nyankopon wansakra no nyankopon wansakra no wo kristoni ebe no wababa de ne kremoni yentumi hu enti de ba ne se ye bobo mpaye e de amano yiye pa ye nyina ye nipa bakofo nyankopon bo obibia ho ban mediri se mpaye kakra me wo mbetimi e de amamo no enti no magya mu esi ha se abushafo ye nyina ye nuanom bako ochina ye the program bi ebebrem very educative program akwa bia was coming ma abuchiri ma kwa bako 8 wokuta one strategy de bia was ofrita krade na obankran oba bia obaji ni sika bia no ofrita krade na obankran ofrita krade na obankran ofrita krade na obankran oba bia nso oje 3,000 euros 4,000 euros 2,000 euros san wa give free no number ne che bebre na ne ye yoma na omo de ahye hoboko na omo nkasa bebre na omo de ayoma na omo de ahye hoboko ya nya ma tu omo ye bold omo de asem na ade abatumanim strategy na what the edges get if you want or market the biachemo and tinyampo ochina ye ba reveal secret no na ya mamoni ebie. That is the programs I do on Facebook. Mbambe di do bi atem, mbambe di do bi ni papa atem, mbambe di do bi ni mami atem. Ntino mesremo haters any ahoyafo mamo maye free eduma papa na ye no na yati asiro road yesremo into abushafo dia metini akana no ocha ye this program no ebebramo magemu esi ha with the greatest Islamic greatness haza wa billahi tawfik wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace, shalom.